122. Can I get in there and say hello? 122.75 in the checkout bag. Trying to break.
For you. Yeah, we got some big
try to make it up there to that 122. It's rough and tough out here in the Carolinas, so I'm gonna roll back to the west side. And we're going out there in DX land. 122 if you can hear me. Worldwide 75, check out back, waving, standing by.
Probably listening to it every day. CB friend Kilroy just out here listening to the funny papers, no doubt about it, the audio side of the funny papers, live in living color. Hey Kilroy, long time? 357 Tennessee. 7 hospital. With that audio radio check, I believe you get the audio. You get some good audio, no doubt about it. Lakeside in Alabama, letting you know I'm back out. Watched them come, I watched them go, and it's just another day in paradise. There's nothing new under the sun. Hey, Virginia Hillbilly, keep them stirred up. 357 Tennessee. Your Lakeside say, I'll see you, Bob. It's kind of nice of you, man. You've been bleeding all over the band. I just...
Hello there, 445. Hey, 445, I'm in the shack out back now, man, and you rolled in my receive, so I'm going to wave at you and get out of the way. 445, 75, back listening.
I got worldwide 75 on the radio, too. Hey, I just come in from more advance. Hey, you guys, take care out there. I got a whole bunch of them on the radio. I'll make it.
410, hey, 445, I got a great big signal on you out here in the Carolinas, man. You're going to love this video gate, ain't no doubt. 445, 75, waving, getting up.
75, come on back, man. I just started a brand new gate. Hey, 75, I got a great big signal on you too, man. He's sounding good out there, my friend. Worldwide 75. I'm good.
Hey, 445, you're so far over there in the corner, my needle can't go no further, man. It's slam out of the numbers. Keep on keeping on, put it on you when I can. 445, you're 75, easing back.
Well, shoot, 75, man, we can sit here and have a conversation, because I think we got the AT&T going on. Hey, 75, you're friend in Mississippi, 445 Radio Man, on top of my hill, on this over $2 grand. Man, I got
10, Roger 4 there, 445. 445, sounding good, buddy. Good to hear you. And I'll ease back out of the way and let you get you some gates rolling, man. I'm rolling one right now, so you'll love it, ain't no doubt. Hey, 445, I'll see you.
75, well, we'll let some of the other ones get in there. And I get a piece of, hey, Worldwide 75, pleasure's on my end. I'll see you, bye-bye.
410. Happy 4th of July coming up. Mr. Radio Man 445, your 75 in the Carolina said bye-bye. Somebody out there want to know if they got a squeal in there, and you did not have a squeal in there from what I could hear until 445 keyed up. 445 got my radio right now, but I did not hear a squeal on that key right there. 75 letting you know.
So just kind of back the mic off. Just 75 on get out of here. I don't think I'll get good conditions on this. I appreciate it. Hey, Sling Blade, have a super.
Hey, 445, you're not in my way, big brother. Hey, 445, talk it up. You are not in my way. 75 around the Carolina, standing by.
Lakeside, pulling back.
Hey, Lakeside, can you copy 75 on this two-piece wire dipole? Hey, Lakeside, I want to know if you can copy me on this two-piece wire dipole break.
Hey, 5 over the Keystone. 5 over the Keystone, 445 waving.
Man, it's rough and tough. Hey, I got a real good copy on you out here there, 445. Hey, 445, I got a copy on you in my wire dipole this time, 75, letting you know.
445, happy 4th of July. But anyway, if you can hear me, hello to you, my well-time friend. Hey, 75, Lakeside, trying to ease it back. Break.
Hello to you, Lakeside. Hey, Lakeside, I got a real good copy on you, man. I'm talking on this two-piece wire dipole there, Lakeside, and you're definitely coming in there loud and proud, ain't no doubt. 75 waving from the Carolinas, break.
On top of my hill, 5-0, have a good one.
Hey, Lakeside, if you can hear me, man, I wanted to wave from that two-piece wire dipole that I was talking on. I switched back over to the big antenna. I switched back over to the big tower on that 4-element up there, but ain't no doubt we tried to make it on that two-piece wire dipole. Take care for Lakeside, 75 waving, getting up.
Hey, Sling Blade, you tell Lakeside kept one of them tubes off and get this. It's kind of flopping in and out. I didn't know you had that. Anyway, 75, you have yourself a super power while you're talking on that pole. 75 on that all directional Lakeside. I say I'm easing right back. I'll see you, man. I had a squeal, they said earlier. Take care, 75. You're that black cloud just come over my.
No squeal, no squeal, no squeal, no squeal. Hey, Lakeside, no squeal that go around, man. You sounding real good on this two-piece wire dipole. Hey, Lakeside, 75 in the Carolinas with that wave getting up. I don't know if you heard me, so I'm going to come back to you again. Hey, Lakeside, no squeal, no squeal, no squeal that go around. Sounding real good, big brother. 75, rolling this video gate, getting up. I'll see you.
Hey, take care over that way. 3. Hey, 75. Back up around New York City.
Hey, 445, I think you said something to me, man, but it is rough. I mean, everybody's got me all the way in the corner, man. But I think you were saying something to me. Come on back there, 445, 75, listening.
Missouri, 295, 626, Missouri Copper.
there's some rough conditions out there today. Hey, Lakeside, there's some rough conditions out there today. 7-5, letting you know.
445 says the video gator, all right. The ocean effects. 575, I'm trying to ease back around to you, and I may have came a little too far. Hey, 75, I'm trying to ease back around to you. I went back. I guess it's going to be gate number 6, I think it is. Gate number 6, probably the last one I do. Okay, no doubt about it. Because I got to shut off. Super fine with my long-time friend on that end. I'm quiet. Forget that.
Full team rider there, Lakeside. Take care, big brother. You and 445 are fighting in my receive right now, man. Both of you got it so far over there in the corner. There ain't even no numbers over there. So you're definitely doing a deal. Hey, Lakeside, 7-5, getting up.
3-5, 7-2 there, Getting up.
Alright, there, Lakeside. When you see this video gate, you're gonna be like, what in the world is 7-5 got going on, man? It's so daggone rough out here, man. Everybody's got me in the corner, but that's alright. I'm gonna take every bit I can get. Take care, my big brother. I'll put it on you when I can, and happy 4th coming up there, Lakeside, 7-5, back listening.
You here, it's hard to put. Hey, 75, on your line, 45-47 still. Let's talk hammer down, good module.
Hey, 445, I'm not talking on the 2547 right now. Right now, I'm in the shack out back now, so I'm talking on that unit in 78 XL right now. Unit in 78 XL gump built mobile that I got here in the shack out back. Roger.
So just leave. Hey, good deal. Hey, take care out there, 75 on 10-6. I got black clouds going on the house.
Alright there, 445. You'll be able to hear this video gate, man. I've already posted 3 of them, and I got one before this one, and then I'll post this one up later on after I get done out here in the shack out back, man. So anyway, glad to talk to you. Always good to hear you. 445, my video mentor. You'll 75 in the Carolina standing by.
Going out. All right, Soldier Slim. Always a pleasure to speak up on you, man. No doubt about it. Anyway, I'm gonna ease on back on this end. I appreciate the shout, man. Well, you eased all up in this radio on top. Hey, Soldier Slim, Lakeside, I'm up. Hey, 156. Thing. But watch out for weed killer. Hey, Soldier Slim, take care, man. Well, I ease on back on this end. I'll see you. Bye. Hey, 156. Hey, have a good one out there. Appreciate this shot again. Take care. I'll see you, man. Hey, Soldier Slim, I can't do nothing about you, man. I know you gonna keep that thing no matter what. Hey, Soldier Slim, take care. My longtime friend on that end. I'm quiet. Thing. Bye. You got it right. Hey, Soldier Slim. Bye. Skill ran 149 JJ to Manchester. We ready to mail. No doubt about it. Sounding good, folks.
Hey, JJ. Hey, JJ Manchester, you made another video gate on this Worldwide 75 YouTube channel, man. Just want to let you know you're out there, 75, letting you know. Who's that out there in Oklahoma, break?
2,000 cold out there in Red Gold. Sounding good in Manchester, Tennessee. Come on, tell me about it. Tennessee, 38, waving right back. You 38, hope you have a safe and happy July the 4th there, man. Take care out that way. You're sounding good in downtown Manchester, Tennessee. 73, okay, we ready to mail. Out of my radio right about now. Oh, Mother Nature pulled that dress up a little bit. Take care of that in, Channel Master. You're Lake in Alabama with a wave. I'm up. Keep up all that noise. 35, topside of the yard. Back up.
Hey, 122, can I ease in there in the checkout bag? Hey, 122, 75 around Carolina's trying to break.
Channel Master, I'll see you, man. Hey, Channel Master.
Hey guys, I tried to ease up in 122's receive. I'm gonna turn the beams back out west again. Looks like all my conditions are out west. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the volume back up, let the gauge roll on.
35, topside the hog yard, got down. Good day. Bye, Channel Master. Bye. Come on. Okay. Tennessee with the wave. Diesel truck. Hey, Shaggy, he's passing it right back to you out there. No doubt about it. Shaggy, he's passing that pipe right on back. Have a good day. 38, black gold. Pack you out. Smoky. Terrorizer right on 38. Okie mighty fine, my friend. Appreciate it, Mr. 38. Oh, Shaggy. I got 38 up in my radio line around. Hello, sir. Hey, 5-0 in North Carolina. You get now, man. Hey, 5-0 in North Carolina, I heard you, man, no doubt about it. Take care, 850 in North Carolina. Take care on that end and have a super fine day. You're Lakeside in Alabama, waving, I'm up. That's for sure. Hey, you definitely laying it down. Good to hear you. Have a big old Independence Day coming up. Hey, hey, Marty, let me check it. Guarantee you, man, you always sound. Sorry, 5-0, same on this end, man. I hope you have a super fine one on the 4th of July. On the Independence Day, no doubt about it. But I'm going to speak up on you again. You're Lakeside in Alabama, waved, and I'm up. That I said happy Independence Day, if you would, too. I haven't heard them locally over here.